Premier is engaged and encouraged for the market and by the market elsewhere in the globe across the ranges of cozy knitwear. A vertically integrated factory with state-of-the-art technology and an owner's accomplished crew to ensure eminence and sterile production processes across the domain, right from the source of raw materials to deliveries. Premier Sound's quality is a mouthpiece of the customer, simply it walks and talks. Robust infrastructure competencies which we possess allow us to manufacture and deliver to the various geographical acumen on the demands of the market quantitates with suitable MOQ to sizable million runs. To sustain the process of manufacturing and impart the new horizon, we always believe on learning. So, we work and train and work, right from the exit to exit, process to process. Also, we enroll our employees in work-integrated skill training and apprenticeship education programs to develop required skills and strengthen their career. We always believe the happening and happiest place should be the working domain. We are ethical and comply on the law of land. We believe very strongly, employees are the sturdiest suite of success. With a capacity of manufacturing 2 million pieces per month, from babies to toddlers knitwear made out of superior cotton and blends, our entire manufacturing practices are inclusive of compliant nature, stipulated and stringent quality norms, certifications, and accreditations. All these practices are audited and approved by extensive, global certifying institutions, retailers and high street brand-wide ethical, technical, safety, security and, last but not least, for the best quality management systems in place. Our conscription policies are very much on women empowerment.